Tell us how the demerger is going to affect Prudential's business.
Well, the demerger is being done from a position of strength, having announced our best ever results in 2017. But we think it will allow our UK business and our international business to pursue the opportunities that they have with more vigor. Certainly will provide more freedom for our UK business to compete with its peers as opposed to compete for capital internally. And it will allow the international businesses to be that much more focused on the opportunities that we have in these markets. The US, which is the world's most valuable and largest market, Asia, which contains some of the fastest growing markets in the world, and Africa, which is the world's most underpenetrated market.
Two things about China. One, the merger of the insurance and banking regulatory commissions, and two, the lifting of restrictions on ownership for foreign insurers. How will that affect how you position yourself in this market?
We are encouraged to see the development of the regulatory framework. You know, it's been said, and we agree with this, that by combining the banking and insurance, you remove the opportunities for regulatory arbitrage. I can see why it's sensible from a China perspective. And I think generally it will strengthen regulation. And for companies such as ourselves, stronger regulation is a very positive thing. And we would support it and encourage it. We think the market has huge potential. Today we operate through a joint venture with a fantastic partner in the Citi Group. The idea of working in China with an important partner, a state-owned enterprise in this instance, is huge in order to fully understand the cultural nuances in this market and to understand how to operate as effectively as possible in a country that really is still quite complicated when viewed through Western eyes.
And as InsurTech starts to eat into the legacy side of the insurance business, what's Prudential doing to catch up?
We're already doing quite a lot. As I said, a lot of our technology investment, and we're upping the investment to 300 million sterling a year across Asia, and of course across the group the investment is much more significant. It's nearly £1 billion sterling a year. A lot of that is being directed today in making us that much more efficient, helping customers access us at any time in whichever format they want to, whether that's on the mobile, on their phones, using tablets, or indeed on the phone. The next challenge is how do we then bring new consumers to our franchise. We have a number of plans in place on how to do that. We think it's important that alongside looking to protect our customers, will provide services, whether it's in the wellness space, in the health space, whether it's the way we advise them on how to manage their increasing wealth. We have a number of initiatives in place which we hope to bring to the market later in the year. So there's quite a lot of work that's happening in that space, and we're quite excited about the prospects that may create for us.